What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to BabyBus Nursery Rhymes channel analytics. BabyBus have uploaded 1,538 videos. They now have 23.4 million subscribers with a total view of 17,651,187,057. They are from US. And their channel type is education. They created their channel since July 15, 2016. The grade they got is A+. And their social blade ranking is at 24th. The subscriber ranking is 157th and then video view rank is 54th. They ranked at 59th in US and 10th in education. Next, the average on daily subs for BabyBus channel is around 23.3k with a daily view of 20,542,767. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 20,500,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for BabyBus will be $82,000. Thus, monthly income will be $2,460,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, $2,460,000 multiply with 0.55 equal $1,353,000 every month. And as for the yearly income will be $16,236,000. That is how much BabyBus Nursery Rhymes earn from YouTube.